Welcome. Let's have a look at this. The nth term of a sequence is given by u subscript n. If the first term, this is first term, is 3, and the increasing of the term by 1 is n plus 5, we are to find the third term. So we are progressing from first term, second term, and third term. So remember, we have the first term as 3, then the increment on any term by increasing this is the first term plus what? 5. So in order to find second term, so we can say that for the second term, like this, we put our n equals 1 in the case of this. When n is 1, n plus 1 give you the 2 we have here. That means from here, I can have my n, which is 1 plus 1, with the 2. No need to write a plus, but this become u subscript 1 plus what? 5. But already I know this is given to me, so second term become, this very answer is 3 plus 5, and that gives us what? 8. So I am progressing from 1 to 2 to going to 3. So for 3, we also put our n equals to 2. Remember, we are still at this place. So n, which is 2 plus 1, making the 3. That means that your u, 2 plus 1, is going to be, where is it? This is going to be u2, which we are to put n equals to 2 plus what? 5 in there. So this become 3. u2 has been found as what? 8. So 8 plus what? 5. And that gives us 13, right? So we can say that the third term of this sequence is going to be 13. And I believe understood. Like, share, comment, and come back for more.